Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Results of Plus 2 Arts and Vocational Stream examinations conducted by CHSE Odisha were announced Saturday. The pass percentage in Arts stream is 98.58. A total of 1,89,363 candidates had appeared for the examinations. Out of them, 1,86,685 cleared the test. The pass percentage of girls stands higher at 92.34%, while the pass percentage of boys is 85.98%. "67 personnel from the Odisha Police will be awarded gallantry medals on occasion of the Independence Day. The Ministry of Home Affairs Saturday announced a list of 1,380 police personnel from across the country who will be decorated with various medals. Two children have tested positive for COVID in Sambalpur district. The children are aged 5 years and 8 months. They were undergoing treatment at Vimsar in Burla when they tested positive for COVID-19. Odisha Police DG Abhay has directed Crime Branch to investigate Paralakemundi ACF Soumyaranjan Mahapatra's death case, a top police official said Saturday. According to Crime Branch ADG Sanjeev Panda, a 3-member investigating team has been constituted, which will be led by a DSP level official. Twitter Saturday unlocked the accounts of former Congress President Rahul Gandhi and several others after temporarily blocking them for violating their policy. After Congress Party's account was unlocked, the party tweeted, "Satyamev Jayate." The BSF has launched Operation Alert along the India-Bangladesh border following inputs of possible security threats on Independence Day. A high alert notification has been issued in view of threats from Islamist terrorists and Indian insurgents based in the neighboring country. Operation Alert will continue till August 16. The Yemeni army killed 21 Houthi rebels when repelling attacks in the central province of Marib in the last 24 hours. The Yemeni army also advanced onto the west of Al-Qasara area, attempting to recapture a strategic point to the west of Hilan mountain that overlooks the nearby southern front line of Al-Mashja. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.